Well, hello everyone, and welcome to today's show, first one of 2025, season 15. Now we're going to go back to a throwback from season 14, episode 3, early on. This was one where I changed the burner out on an LP gas water heater and learned something in the process, something I had not seen, and it's a pretty good show. You want to go back and watch that one. But now to answer the question, did that hurt the temperature to put that combustion air in there? Take a look at this. Here we are at 10 degrees right down here at the bottom, and of course we see that we were still well above freezing with our uninsulated garage door. How about that? Hey, appreciate you watching. Do me a favor if you will, subscribe to the channel, either the YouTube or the Rumble channel, which this appears in. And if you can, check the notification bell or settings to make sure that you get notified when new videos are posted. Appreciate it. So yeah, just go watch that old film from last year and you'll see I made an assumption based upon the age of the thing. It turns out it was something completely different, of which I am responsible, inadvertent. Just, all the numbers were fine, but the reality was different than what the code said, and we cut us a hole in the building. That's what we're seeing right there. Go watch that film. It might be interesting to you.